Half the price pero magkasing ganda, maluloka kayo pag shinare ko na kung ano yung na-discover ko. This is a Korean brand I've been using for months now, pero nang naamoy ko tong lotion na to na locally made by Skindo, it's a company here in the Philippines, naloka ako kasi same na same sila. Si Mahal, eto yan, di ba? Parang watery lang siya, pareha silang lightweight. Kapag naghahanap ako ng lotion, this is the first thing na hinahanap ko kasi usually ito yung mga mahal, yung mga lightweight, tapos sobrang moisturizing, pero it's like wearing lotion but not feeling that you're wearing lotion. So ayan siya, ang bilis na ma-absorb. And when I tried this one, the more affordable version of that lotion I'm using, ito siya guys. Ganyan siya. Tapos, ano ba yun? Tapos pag ginanyan niyo siya guys, in-spread niyo sa balat mo. Sandali lang talaga. Absorb na siya agad. Yun yung hinahanap ko. If you wait a little longer, lalabas na talaga yung tunay na amoy niya. And ito, mabango siya. Pero pag sininghot mo mabuti, mababakas mo pa yung amoy ng dahon. But this one, the scent is very calming. Ang bango niya, fresh lang siya. Parang may butter nga akong naaamoy. I like this one better actually. Favorite ko sila ngayon kasi nakakabata talaga ng skin yung effect ng lotion nito. The only difference is this one is medyo high-end and this one naman is made affordable by the company, no? Mamili ka na lang kung anong gusto mo, di ba? And as for me, after I finish this bottle, I'm going to switch to Skindo kasi it's giving me the same effect, better scent. Mas gusto ko yung scent nito plus half the price siya. I also love the packaging. Hindi siya nakakahiya i-gift. So kung meron kang nakakasalubong nakakilala na dry ang balat, batuhan mo nito. I want you to try this lotion now.